class. So, in the previous class, we read about how germs spread diseases through contaminated food and water, through air, through contact with a sick person, and through insect bites. So, we read about how we read about a few communicable diseases, their causes, and also symptoms. So, today we'll discuss how we can prevent these communicable diseases. All of you know you must keep yourself safe to prevent yourself from diseases. So we need to adopt different techniques to keep ourselves safe from these communicable diseases. In your book we have a few points. By keeping ourselves clean, by keeping our home and surroundings clean. You keep your house clean, but outside you throw all the garbage from your house. Don't bother about the surrounding. No, you should maintain the cleanliness of both your home as well as your surrounding. Then by using clean water and food, and by getting vaccinated. So today we'll discuss how we can prevent communicable diseases by keeping ourselves clean. All of you turn to page number 82. By keeping ourselves clean, there are 5 points. We can avoid diseases by keeping ourselves clean. Number 1, we must brush our teeth twice every day to keep our mouth clean. So, we'll start with our mouth. How can we keep our mouth clean? By brushing teeth. By brushing our teeth. And we must brush our teeth twice in a day. Once when you get up in the morning, and the second time when you go to bed at night. Before that, before going to bed, you must brush your teeth after having your dinner. Number 2, we should have a daily bath to keep our body clean. You must always take a bath every day. Even if it is winter, you must take a bath every day, only then you can keep yourself clean. We must wear clean clothes every day. You should never wear dirty clothes, because the dirty clothes contain a lot of germs and we can suffer from many diseases. We should not shake hands or share a handkerchief or towel with a sick person. I told you in the previous class. We should wash our hands frequently with soap and water, especially before meals. You all must be adopting this. You must be washing your hands with soap and water. And in today's situation, you can see in TV, in your television also, ads are coming how you can keep yourself safe from many diseases. You must wash your hands with soap and water frequently. In a gap of 2 hours or 3 hours, even if you are inside your house, you must wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. So, what you read today? The communicable diseases can be prevented by adopting these habits. So, we discussed about how we can keep ourselves clean. So, I'll just note it down. What points we discussed under this category? At first, what we read? How can we keep ourselves clean? We can keep ourselves clean by brushing our teeth twice, 2 बार. Number 2, by taking a bath every day. Then the third point, by wearing clean clothes, by not sharing the belongings of a sick person by not sharing belongings of a sick person, and the last point, by washing our hands with soap and water, especially before having meals. So these were the points that we read under this category. We can keep ourselves clean by brushing our teeth twice, once in morning and once at night before going to bed. By taking a bath every day, by wearing clean clothes, by not sharing belongings of a sick person, and by washing our hands with soap and water. So this was all about what we read today. In the next class, we'll discuss other points, how we can prevent these communicable diseases, like how we can keep our surroundings and our home clean, how can we how can we prevent these communicable diseases by using clean water and food. So many other points we will be studying in the next class. For today it's over. Thank you and have a nice day.